Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Dialogue+Letter CW. So let's see our today's topic. Class 6, subject English first paper, topic Dialogue and Letter. Term Half-Yearly, Lecture 15, SW11, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start the class. So as you can see, our today's topic, Dialogue and Letter, Half-Yearly exam, Lecture 15. So for your half-yearly exam, we are giving these suggestions. For question number 7, you will story writing. You will read 3 stories. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Unity is a strength. Slow and steady wins the race. For question number 8, letter writing, you will learn 3 letters. Write a letter to your friend about the importance of physical exercise. Write a letter to your friend for sending you some money. Number 3, write a letter to your friend about a picnic. For question number 9, dialogue writing, write a dialogue between you and your friend about the importance of learning English. Number 2, write a dialogue between a customer and a bookseller on buying books. Number 3, write a dialogue between you and your friend about your preparation for the exam. For question number 10, paragraph writing, a railway station, good health, and the victory day. So for story writing and paragraph, you go to lecture 15 and watch the class, and I am taking today question number 8, letter writing and dialogue. So let's go to next page. So how we will write letter. So write a letter to your friend about the importance of physical exercise. First you will have to write your address and date. Okay, and if you write the address and date here, so you will write the yours sincerely in this place. And if you write the address and date in this portion, you will write yours sincerely yours ever in these portions. Okay, so my dear Muni, I'm writing the letter of importance of physical exercise. I'm happy to learn that you are going on well with your studies, but in the letter there is no mention of your physical activities. You know that health is wealth. A boy of ill health cannot reach his goal, so it needs no telling the importance of sound health to you. In order to maintain a sound health, you were to keep your body fit at first, and it is physical exercise which enables a student to maintain a good physique. Hard work, perseverance, punctuality, sincerity, etc. are needed to cut a good figure in the examination. And this is not possible without a strong and stout body. If you fail to keep your body sound, you will lose all zest of life, and then life would be dull and meaningless to you. You were told to take physical exercise regularly so that you can keep your body fit. Now today, convey my best request to your parents and younger Sneha. Yours affectionately, Fahim. After this, you will draw an envelope. After this, you will draw an envelope. You know how to draw an envelope. Number 1, dialogue. Write a dialogue between you and your friend about the importance of learning English. So you will start your dialogue like this. A dialogue between myself and Fahim about the importance of learning English is given below. So you will write the dialogue at least 6 pair. 2 person make a pair, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will have to write a dialogue at least 6 pair. Okay, and you have to remember one thing. Look, myself, Fahim, if you finish your line here, look, if you have finished the lines here, but you cannot start this line from this line. You have to maintain the sequence like this. After colon, this portion, you cannot write your talking speech. Okay, you have to maintain this sequence in your copy also. You cannot write this portion. Okay, so let's start. Myself. Hello, Fine. How are you? Fine. Thank you. What about you? Myself. I'm also fine. What are you doing? Fine. I'm reading an article about the importance of learning English. Myself. Why is English very important? Fine. Well, it is an international language. It is used as mother language in many countries. I could write the countries here, but I didn't because you cannot write this portion. Countries. It is also used as official and semi-official language almost all of the countries in the world. Myself. Why is it necessary for us? Fine. It is necessary for getting it is necessary for getting a good job and better salaries. Myself. Is it helpful for taking higher education? Fine. Nice question. It is very important for taking higher education because all the books on higher education are written in English. Myself. What will happen if we do not know English? Fine. If we do not learn English well, we will not get a good job, receive handsome salary and take higher education. Myself. Thanks a lot for your valuable information. So fine. You are most welcome. Goodbye. So your SW will be SW11 Dialogue 1 plus Letter 1. SW11 Dialogue 1 Letter 1. And my dear students, I want to show another thing. So read the rest of the letter and dialogue at home. You will find this letter and dialogue in your book. You will read this at home. History writing also 2, 3, all these writing parts you will finish at your home. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. Thanks for watching this video. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.